So I got celery, green peppers, onions. I say it's wrong. Bok. I don't want to say it. Saw the video beforehand. So we're gonna try the viral no water soup. I'm not gonna use the whole chicken. I'm gonna do Perdue organic chicken. Just strips. I'm gonna season them, of course, because the one I saw, she didn't season them. And we're gonna see how this goes. So the recipe calls for you put the top on it, and then we'll see what happens.
She has done nothing but make our lives a living hell since this day one.
Maybe because I use tenders instead of the whole chicken, I'm gonna go ahead and add some Kitchen Basic unsalted stock